received the call that the lion was in this area and acting abnormally.
Let me get my gun out.
But we don't go out looking to kill animals. We're a wildlife agency. Our goal is to protect wildlife.
See it?
The lion was here. It was under a clump of bamboo. We're trying to get the lion to run off. Wouldn't move, wouldn't growl. Very, very abnormal behavior.
Heck, we could dart him. I don't know what we'd do with him. We darted him.
The paws of the animal were severely burnt. There was a fire in this area. In fact, there were still some smoldering fires in the area when we found the animal.
Get your eyes on camera. You see him? Look in the viewfinder. In the viewfinder.
Oh yeah, dang.
At that point, I felt the best thing for the lion and the public was to shoot the lion and to kill it. People, I don't know, they don't seem to think they're wild animals anymore, but they can be very, very dangerous.